Alright, now let's try a couple of equations, one-step equations with decimal numbers. So the same process applies to what we did with the one-step equations. So let's try p plus 8 equals 14.1. Okay, to solve this, we have to subtract 8. Okay, so if we subtract 8 from the left side, we have to subtract 8 to the right side. So the 8's cancel, and p is equal to 14.1 minus 8. So let's subtract that. 14.1 minus 8. Now if you remember from previous videos, if we have a whole number like this, we can rewrite this as 8.0 so that the numbers, alright, for both decimal numbers line up, so we can subtract. Alright, so subtract from right to left. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring the decimal point down. Alright, 4 minus 8, well that's too big. So what we have to do is we have to borrow from the left digit. Okay. So that 1 becomes a 0, and this 4 becomes a 14. So what is 14 minus 8? 14 minus 8 is 6. So the final answer is 6.1. Okay, let's try one more problem. So now, let's see, we have x over 1.2 equals -7. Alright, now to solve this, like we did before, what we want to do is we want to rewrite this x over 1.2 as 1 over 1.2 times x equals -7. So it looks a lot more clear now. So now, to solve for x, we have to multiply by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal here is going to be 1.2 over 1. Alright, so whatever we do on the left side, we do on the right side. So 1.2 over 1. Alright, your left sides cancel. So we get x equaling, that's going to be -7 times 1.2. So let's work that out. So it's going to be negative, well actually let's write down 1.2 times, alright, 1.2 times 7. Of course we know that this is negative, so we'll put the negative out here. Alright, so let's multiply it out. 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, 14, bring down the 4, carry the 1 over. 7 times 1 is 7, add 1 equals 8. Right, now we have to look at the decimal points. Well, we have 1 decimal point, so we add 1 decimal point from right to left. So it's -8.4. So sure enough, the answer is -8.4.